Army ants are unstoppable when united. Moving as one, they sweep across. After years underground, cicadas emerge, shedding their shells, their new wings slowly hardening. The chirping of a cricket is nature's violin. By rubbing its wings, this small insect
Indophlbios. Leafcutter ants are the farmers of the insect world. Each one carries green cargo back to
These tiny farmers of the insect world carry their green cargo back to their colony to feed an underground fungus.
The praying mantis is a patient hunter. Motionless, it waits, then strikes with lightning speed.
Vixdatus. Wasps are expert builders. They scrape wood, mix it with saliva, and create paper.
The weevil's secret weapon is its snout. With it, this beetle drills into seeds and grains to lay its eggs.